way, everything with respect, no difference between smoking and alcohol status, of course, it's really important that we're very and then I went in for figure 2, and then I did some analyses down to relationships of
according to the records, you have this to save your life.
you adjust for demographic behaviors, being associated.
Hoping to get an opportunity where we can kind of disseminate this and extend it to other community-based organizations. Hi, I'm Swapna Dave. I am a project manager at the General Internal Medicine, and we do community-based participatory research in the South Asian community. So our study is to use the CBPR approach to implement a lifestyle intervention study in the Chicago South Asian community. We collaborate with Metropolitan Asian Family Services, which is a community-based organization that serves about 1,300 South Asians in the Devon area, which is a predominantly South Asian neighborhood. And we've been working with them since 2006, where they first started helping us with recruitment into the study, and continued getting an ARC seed grant, which helped us build the relationship, conduct some focus groups, having them as a partner on the research. And the findings from these studies led us to our 21 grant from NIDDK, and this is basically findings from that study. We used true CBPR model to understand and implement the study, which is a randomized control trial. And it's a very successful model because we were able to recruit our study participants with 62% of our study participants being with limited English proficiency, 100% immigrant population, and we should be able to over-recruit with getting more participants into the study. We made a lot of changes to our intervention based from the Community Advisory Board and the community members' feedback. And how we decided to work, which part of the study. So MAFS and Northwestern were equal partners, but MAFS is involved. They do more of the recruitment, help us refine the curriculum, and helped us, address needs of the community, like form the Community Advisory Board members with equal number of men and women and equal number of Hindu and Muslim advisory board members to get the correct perspective. And the outcomes of this are we are able to reach the recent immigrants. Again, we were able to address the community needs, which were not anticipated in the study. And most important, we added fun back into health. Our study participants, community members kept focusing. There's so much information out there which is boring, it's the same stuff, you have to make it different. So we decided to add fun back on their recommendation. We have a healthy heart mela, we have people coming in with a tasty salad competition, and all kind of fun stuff. And that happens because we have respect and trust with the community members, and we work together. We're hoping to disseminate the study into the community with the R18 grant.